Maintaining CMMC compliance is crucial for securing your defense contracts. Let's review the access control policies.
Stop wasting 5 days and thousands of dollars on death by PowerPoint instructor-led training. Listening to a trainer's life story won't make you an expert. It only leads to burnout. You deserve training designed for the modern mind. Our cinematic CMMC training replaces dry regulatory requirements into an immersive, narrative-driven storytelling that bridges the gap between rigorous source material and world-class visual storytelling. We move the needle from mere listening to deep retention. With high-fidelity visuals and soaring cinematic scores, you can master CMMC on your terms, whether at the gym or during your commute. Don't just study CMMC, experience it. Subscribe to our ATP and awareness training, click on the link to access 400+ videos with a proven first attempt pass rate. Join the next generation of certified experts today.